Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, October the 21st, 2023. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary 10 by 10. Already solved. So one puzzle is left for this evening. The Tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku number 7312. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, so I think it's a 1-star or maybe a 2 stars a puzzle. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And for a 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1-star or a 2 stars puzzle. All right, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. 1 and 2. Well, can see any dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. More triple boxes, no quadra boxes then. Next question, do we have quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box, here another quadra box. I cannot fill those numbers, I need to wait. And yeah, the next strategy, oh, here we have also a quadra box. Well, these two contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Yes. And the first shape is this one. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Rotated, this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. Alright. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. Then. About. Well. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 4. 3 to 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. Okay. And now. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be 1, this box can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4, I believe, yes. Okay, this box can be a 2, and this box can be 1. So the 1 and 2 in this triple box could be here, could be there, the 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. Alright. Okay. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here, because if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here, so not the solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3, but also that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 5. Alright. Well, it cannot be a 5, because it's a quadra box, and a quadra box has no 5s in the quadra box, yes. So it should be a 2 then. Yeah, 2, of course. It's connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, okay. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this quadra box for number 4. Alright. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then. That means that this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If you place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 3 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. And these two boxes can be 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat box should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, definitely 4. Quadrat box doesn't contain the number 5, okay. So 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 number left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box can be a 5, and this box can be a 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, solve it again. Solve it again. Let me give this a 1 star. Yeah, not the 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you tomorrow. And I will continue with this puzzle page. We have 2 puzzles left. Yeah, the 3 stars Sudoku 1 and the binary puzzle. Only 2. Well, yeah, only 2, because in this newspaper, in the weekend edition, we have no extra puzzles. So I will do also the puzzles left in the Friday edition. Alright, enough puzzles. Tomorrow evening, the Samurai Sudoku. So, see you then. Bye-bye for now.